Guys, in this video we are going to see something called form. Now let's see what that is. To create a form, you have to go to body. Below body we create the form and then close it with \form. And inside this one, let's type something like username. You want to get a username from somebody who visit your website, so you type username and then input type that's equal to text, and here we are going to ask the name that is equal to username, and let's leave the size to be 5. Okay, now I close this one with a semicolon and then backslash, close it. Okay, now when I go and refresh this website, now you can see we have a username with size 5, and we can do many different things like okay, if you don't put size, it will become let's see what happens if you don't put size. Here you can see we have a size like this, and you can put a username, and if you put a size, it will, you can put a small size or you can put a big size. Like if I put size 50, the length is gonna be big like this. And another thing called max length, that is to limit how many text how many letter you can type. Okay, max length, max length, and I just put 5 and see what happens. Max length 5, and now when I type Taliban, you can see only 5 letters coming up, THILE. It only limits how many letter you can type in the given box. Okay, that's all about forms. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.